Morning. We are here at the gym. Just gonna get a good session in, which will be not only the first session of this series, but also the first session of the year. Yes, it is January 2024. Happy New Year. We're gonna get to work and make sure that we keep pushing towards our goals. So this video is the first of the series. This series is gonna include gym and field work, which will include like running, different kinds of sprints, different drills for ball skills, rugby, just sharpen up some skills. Got lots to improve on and lots to train for. So let's get in there and let's put in some work. We'll go for one more set.
I don't know where to make a change. I don't see any of these in this.
Two sets down.
My leg session.
Feeling good, but one more to go.
I'm
You want to up the weight up to?
myself. No,
I'm
no.
going to try
I'll
55.
do my own workout tonight.
Let's try it.
Got roped in by friends.
That's the lats done. Lats done. Now we're gonna do some traps. Start with the lower traps. Going really light for the middle traps because they're weak. They are so weak. 3 kilos for my last set. That's the lower and middle traps done. Time for the upper traps, which means we're gonna start lifting heavy. So we're gonna warm up with 2, 25, 50, 70. So we're warming up with 70. Warmed up with 70. Now we're going to move up to 110. Let's do it. So try doing 110 with the wide grip. Well, my grip strength let me down. I was only able to get 3 reps in. I could either switch to the trap bar or use a narrow grip for the barbell. We're gonna just switch to the narrow grip for now. Nice, 2 sets. I like this weight because I can still get good reps on it. So we're gonna stick with 110. My hand's so shaky. All right, 3rd set, let's go. right, that's traps done. All of them, lower, middle, and upper. And we've just finished our session just in time. Just in time. We've got to be somewhere after this, so we got to hustle. We got 3 minutes to spare. So I think what I'm going to do with this spare time is find my 1 rep max for the deadlift, just to set the benchmark for the year, see where we're at. So we'll do that. All right, we've got 130 set up on the barbell. Let's see how we go with this. I think this is equal my PB, current PB. I can't remember if it's 130, 140, but we'll just call it 130. Plus, it was with the trap bar when I did that PB, so I don't want to count that. I'm gonna do it with the barbell and see how much we get, how much we can get for the PR. All right, 130 in the bag. Let's go up to 140. I'm pretty sure this will be a PB if I hit it. $140. Let's do it. All right, 140, not today. Let's try 135. Okay, so we've got 130 on the bar right now, and then we're going to put these 2.5s on each end. 135. Not today. Not today. 135. So PB is 130. So that means now that we've done that, time to wrap up this session. All right, so that was the first gym session of this series. We hit the lats, the traps, and we could have done some rotator cuff at the end, which is something that should really be done at the end of every workout. But we gotta book it to the shops, run some errands. All right. Whew, man. It is so hot. I'm in the bathroom right now, and the heat is just, it's like a sauna in here, man. But yeah, I would like to take the opportunity to talk about a few things. First of all, that's what I look like right now. That's where the body fat is sitting, as you can see. One sec, let me get you a better angle. Okay, there. That's the side profile, front arm profile. So yeah, what I would like to talk about is that coming into the new year, I have been slowly losing weight. Now I have done this quite a few times. I would lose a few kilos and then I'll come back up. So right now we are sitting at, stepping on the scale, we are sitting at 180, 118. So that's my current weight, but do keep in mind it is currently nighttime, and if you didn't know, you're actually lightest in the morning. This is because when you go to sleep, you're breathing out CO2 and water. That accounts for most of the weight loss that happens overnight. And then of course your body is still burning energy as you sleep. So those are a few factors that cause weight loss while you sleep. Just to prove my point, I will retake my weight in the morning. But 118 is where we're at. Almost 119 actually. Next time I see you guys will be tomorrow. Gonna hit the gym again. So we'll see how we go with this week, but the goal is to make sure that I don't go hard out this week and then suddenly only do 1 day or 2 days next week or the following weeks. So gotta keep that going. That's the goal for this year. Well, it is the goal for every year, to be honest, but now that it's the new year, we're resetting. It's a cliche, but we are resetting. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.